Assalamualaikum my friends, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is very special because today I'm going to show you how you can completely transform your entire home using only crochet. So from the bedroom to the kitchen, from the hallway to the bathroom, every corner decorated with beautiful handmade crochet pieces. So let's get started. First of all, why crochet home decor? Number 1, it is 100% handmade. Every piece is unique just like you. Number 2, it is budget friendly. With just a simple bowl of yarn, you can make cushion covers, table runners, rugs, and so much more. Number 3, color freedom. You can choose any colors you like: pink, lavender, yellow, teal. Your home can truly reflect your personality. And number 4, it's therapeutic. The peace and relaxation you feel while crocheting is simply unmatched. You can even make your garden more beautiful with crochet decor. And if you're planning a picnic, just take out your crochet cushions and enjoy your picnic in style. The bedroom is the place where we spend most of our time, so this is where crochet magic works the best. You can create these pieces for your bedroom. First, a crochet bedsheet. Second, matching pillow covers. Third, a bed skirt. It looks incredibly elegant in crochet. Fourth, a crochet rug under the table. And fifth, crochet curtains. You can choose any color combination that you like. And if you like to see which color combination looks best before making it, simply copy this AI prompt and paste it into any AI tool. The link is provided in the description below. And yes, these pictures are AI generated, so they aren't real yet, but they can become real when you have a crochet hook in your hands and passion in your heart. The living room is the heart of the home, and crochet can transform it into a beautiful palace. A crochet sofa cover, cushions in different patterns. You can even add floral embroidery. A crochet throw blanket wrapped over the sofa, a center table doily, and crochet curtains that completely transform the room. Did you see that? An ordinary sofa instantly turns into a luxurious cottage style living room. Crochet can also be used very creatively in the kitchen and dining room. In the kitchen, a crochet curtain panel under the sink, a crochet diary runner on the counter, a pendant lampshade with a scalloped crochet edge. In the dining room, gingham crochet shirt cushions with cute bow details, a beautiful table runner, and a crochet chair back covers that give your dining set a completely new look. When guests visit, they simply cannot stop admiring it. Now let's see the magic of crochet in bathroom. A crochet bath mat on the floor, crochet towel holders on the wall, a candle cozy wrapped around ceramic candles, jar cozies for storing bathroom accessories. These little details make the bathroom feel warm, cozy, and personal. And what about the hallway? A long floral crochet runner rug can make any corridor look like a page from a home decor magazine. Now let me share my secret trick with you. Before starting any crochet project, I first enter a prompt into AI tool to see how my room will look. For example, if I want my bedroom decorated in pink and rose gold crochet, I simply enter this prompt. And within seconds, I can see how my future room will look. This makes choosing yarn colors so much easier and saves both time and money. So friends, this was my complete crochet home makeover. Bedroom, living room, kitchen, bathroom, hallway, all transformed using crochet. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and tell me in the comments which crochet idea you like the most. For more amazing videos, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.